what's going on. I've come out early morning because it's hot here in Plovdiv to find this abandoned house. Found it online. It's not this is just construction work. So I've come quite out of the city centre, well, to this part wherever I am, and I'm gonna go looking for this abandoned house. Come with. Just check my map and I walked so far past it, so let's go back. Found it. Let's go around the front. Let's go back around, just trying to find a way in without climbing. Doesn't seem possible, but we'll climb. Gotta put the old climbing skills to use. Let's do it around the back. My first thought was I didn't want to wake anyone up if they're using it as a home, because you never know. And then I don't want to fall. That wouldn't be fun. And then there's all these hanging. It just looks like it was fire damaged after being dilapidated for so long. I don't want to stand on that. Don't know what that is. Looks like it's fire damaged. So you can get around the corner for you. Oh, guess that would have been the staircase. No chance I'm going up there with all that fire damage. Look at that, it'll just fall through. I'm sweating. Back to abandoned stuff again. It's been a while. I like abandoned stuff. I don't know about you guys. I don't know. It's such a waste, but repairing this would be a phenomenal job because of all the fire damage. The foundations are probably ruined. If there are any foundations, that is. What's around here? The floor just collapsed. Rubbish. Nice skylight. I didn't do much urbex or whatever you want to call it, abandoned exploration. Just dust in Latin America, because you never know, you might just stumble upon a cartel zone, and that's just not a good idea. Be opening a factory door and be some guys sat there. You know what I mean? Silent. But it's weird, it's surrounded. It's getting some light. It's surrounded by nice houses and stuff. I'll show you when we get outside. Nice cars, nice houses. Not too far from the centre. I would just assume somebody moved out or died and didn't give it to someone, and then people started breaking in, smashing stuff, removing all the metal, maybe stealing the wood for when it's cold, using as firewood, which I'm surprised, because it gets very cold here in winter, that people haven't come and taken all of this wood to burn. There's not much metal left, if any, just screws and stuff and nails. Yeah, bear. There we go. And then maybe someone set fire to it, which is ridiculous, because why? Why would you need to set fire to this? Looks like it had, so it had a basement. This is the ground floor, second floor, and it looks like they had a third floor up there. You see where that window with the curved arch. Looks like there was another floor up there. I mean, I would say they're the stairs. They were the stairs. I think that's enough, you know. There's not much more I can do. I'm not going up there. Like, it would be slightly more interesting, but that's the staircase. So what I'm going to do is go outside, show you the outside. Quick bit of on the way back to where I'm staying. Glad that didn't poke me in the eye. Right, let's get out of here. This actually feels a lot safer than I thought it would. Famous last words. Right, let's get out of here. Oh, my drink's still here. That's good. Let's have a quick look around here. So that's where I've just been. And this is the outside of it. There's a balcony, well, there was a balcony there. Yeah, so where I said that there was a third floor. Balcony. Wouldn't stand on that, although let's go underneath it. Why hasn't anybody stolen them girders? They look strong. Like, look at this. Now, this is very cool. Like, so it was a really nice building at one point. Details on all the windows. Right, let's head out. And there's the entrance. That's probably to the basement there. Screwed in. Yeah. Let's jump down here. So this is like just in front of it, some normal cars, normal apartment buildings. Just a normal house. Just a really normal area with this dumped right in the middle. So this is the front. Right, let's head back. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a quick look at these few clips at the end, and I'll see you later.
Not that easy game to play to win.
It's actually a class city, to be fair. So I've been in Sofia, and this is Plovdiv. Bit different, like there's old, I think, Roman ruins there, the columns. It's a really nice city. The centre's decent, the accommodation's decent, the prices are good. I would recommend coming if you're in Bulgaria. And there's an abandoned house to visit.